Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the latest innovation from Kobo, the Libra Colour. Known for pushing the boundaries of e-reading technology, Kobo has introduced a device that promises not only vibrant color displays but also robust writing capabilities. Stick around as we explore whether this e-reader lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design and display. The Kobo Libra Colour maintains the sleek and ergonomic design of its predecessor, the Libra 2, making it comfortable for extended use. The 7-inch e-ink Kaleido 3 screen impresses with its ability to display 4096 colors, albeit with slightly muted tones typical of e-paper technology. This screen size strikes a balance between portability and readability, making it ideal for both reading and note-taking. Whether you're flipping through e-books or annotating documents, the display's 150 pixels per inch resolution for color and 300 pixels per inch for black and white content ensures sharp text and detailed images. The Comfort Light Pro feature adjusts brightness and warmth throughout the day, minimizing eye strain, a thoughtful addition for prolonged reading sessions. Now, let's talk about performance. Powered by a 2 GHz processor, an upgrade from its predecessor, the Libra Colour handles tasks with noticeable speed and responsiveness. It's equipped with 32 GB of storage, sufficient for thousands of books, and supports Bluetooth for audiobook listening, a feature many users appreciate. Navigating through the interface is intuitive, with options to organize your library and customize reading preferences. The addition of writing capabilities elevates this e-reader, allowing users to jot down notes with precision using the Kobo Stylus 2, sold separately. While the stylus enhances functionality, it's worth noting it doesn't magnetically attach like some competitors. Battery life is solid, thanks to the 2050 mAh capacity, ensuring extended usage between charges. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB-C for seamless data transfer and charging, an essential feature for modern devices. Speaking of writing, let's dive into the experience. The Libra Colour supports a variety of writing tools and customizable settings, making it versatile for different writing styles. However, the writing experience, while smooth, lacks the tactile feedback of pen on paper, which some users might find different. In summary, the Kobo Libra Colour impresses with its color e-paper technology and robust features set at a competitive price point. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and offers a compelling alternative to pricier competitors in the market. However, potential buyers should consider the additional cost of the stylus and its separate purchase. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Kobo Libra Colour. If you're looking for a versatile e-reader with a color display and comprehensive writing features, this might just be the device for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.